Hi everyone. If you've landed on my channel, you might be wondering what exactly is my thing, my niche. And yes, I'm doing air quotes around the words thing and niche right now. Because if you look around, you'll see a little bit of everything here on my channel. From card making that sparks my joy, to diving deep into art journals, a huge passion of mine, trying out mixed media, rice paper adventures, to create 3D designs, journaling or even wall art, plus not forgetting gel printing and my Sakura journals. And honestly, that's exactly how I like it and how I like to create. We often feel this pressure to pick just one thing, one craft, one style and stick to it. But my creative journey has shown me that limiting yourself can sometimes limit your own joy. My passion is simply to create, explore and learn. It's about finding joy in the process, using what you have or using the latest must-have craft item and seeing where your imagination takes you. So what can you expect from my channel? A place where we can embrace variety. You'll find tutorials that are all about making beautiful things, ugly things. We have all done those, right? New techniques and maybe giving old projects a second chance. We'll explore different materials and find fresh inspiration together. And remember, what you see in this short video is just a little snapshot of my creative world. For even more ideas and detailed step-by-step projects, you can always pop over to my blog. My niche is simple. It's about the pure joy of making. If that sounds like your kind of creative journey, then we're in the right place. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and let's create something wonderful together. A huge warm welcome to my channel.